What's up, my homeboys? This is Trump here, and I know we haven't been making a lot of this, right? Well, we haven't been doing this a lot. We've did 2 seasons actually. Well, we've been doing a lot of this, and we're filming season 3 already. Just letting you guys know that in season when that this video said this season 2 version 3, that was just a sneak peek of one of the stunts that are in this. Yeah, I got bruised up pretty bad. We did Crash Dummy 5 also. You could kind of still see it though, but we did Crash Dummy 5 also. It's where basically I crashed into like dumpsters and with a bike, like a BMX bike, and then I crashed into a fence. My arm was like hurting. My arm still hurts. It's right here, I think. And then I got the bruise to show you guys. That was from the handle bike. Oh my gosh. It's starting to go away though. Here, I'll pick up the camera. This is our new disc camera too, so look at that. It was from the bike. Ow, ow, ow. And my calves hurt from biking now. Like, it messed up. Look at my legs. There's bruises on my legs. But yeah, that was all from just season 3. And what I have for you guys today here is something I've been wanting to pick up from Showcase. Like, it costs lots though, and I know they're a trend right now. So yeah, I got fidget spinners. I got 1, and then I got 2. But this one I taped up because the screen got out, and I wanted to make it look nice for the video, but it doesn't look that nice with the tape, right? But that's alright. This one is, I believe I'm going to give this one to Tayden. Even though, but it's already his, but I just decided to, like, I'm gonna give it to him after I'm done reviewing it. But yeah, he got the Canada flag one. Why is it moving inside there? Alright, and I just got this one. I don't know why, I just wanted it. I literally picked any fidget spinner. They cost $30 each, and it came up to $63 for 2 of these guys. But yeah, let's take out mine. And now, yeah. I know in season 1 I might have wrong. Wait, no, I forgot I didn't post that copy. Wow. Look at the fidget spinner. That's cool. Wow. Let's see if I can do a trick. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. The hand, that was the finger transfer. And then the hand transfer is a little harder. Let me see if I can get it on the camera. Oh, I didn't want to drop it. And I do spin it with this finger sometimes. I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down on the table here. And let's get out Tayden's with the Canadian flag. It says Canada 150 on the back. Now let's just spin it, I guess. Wow, his looks way better. He likes red, so red's his favorite color. There was some just plain green, and then there was like different colors. They were like mixed colors, and then they would also glow up, but I didn't get that kind. I wonder if I could do that with his. Oh yeah, I could. His is hard. I mean, I think I could do mine better. Oh, I dropped it. I got these at the mall, by the way, so yeah. But one thing is, look, I find weird is, look at Tayden's. Mine is mine is small. Wait, mine is smaller, right? That's mine. That's Tatum's, and they're both the same size fidget spinner. I'm like, what the heck? Did you just like run out of the smaller cases and just put it in there? But yeah, that's mine. And then this is Tatum. And those were the fidget spinner unboxing. This is our camera, and yeah, the light's on. I'm sorry. Where? How do you turn on off this light? Literally, I just got it, and I don't know how to use this thing. But yeah, it has some good quality, and we should definitely use it for this. And I'm gonna see you guys later. So, peace out.